Are you trying to decide between Monday.com and Smartsheet for your team's project management needs? Well, you're in the right place. Both tools have their strengths, but which one will actually help you achieve your team's goals? By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of which platform best suits your needs, whether that's Monday.com or Smartsheet. Let's start with Monday.com. It's known for its highly visual interface, which makes it easy for teams to track and manage projects. From color-coded boards to task dependencies, it's designed to be user-friendly. If your team likes to see things at a glance, Monday.com could be a great choice. However, while the visuals are appealing, they can become overwhelming when you're dealing with larger, more complex projects. That's where Smartsheet comes in. Smartsheet is more of a spreadsheet-based tool, which may feel more familiar to those used to Excel or Google Sheets. This can be an advantage if you're comfortable with rows and columns and want more detailed customization options. Smartsheet's grid-based system allows for deeper reporting and data manipulation, which can be great for teams that need detailed insights. But on the flip side, if your team prefers a more modern, visually engaging interface, Smartsheet might feel a bit clunky and outdated. Next, let's talk about integrations. Both platforms integrate well with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. However, Monday.com stands out with its huge library of over 40 integrations, making it easier to connect with other software you're already using. Smartsheet, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations but does have more robust options for custom integrations. If you need something very specific, Smartsheet might win here. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. Monday.com is generally regarded as more intuitive for teams that are new to project management software. The drag-and-drop features and customizable workflows make it easy to get started quickly. Smartsheet's interface, while functional, is not as user-friendly. It's designed more for users who are familiar with data-heavy tools and are looking for granular control. If you need something simple and easy to adopt, Monday.com is the way to go. Now, let's dive into pricing. Monday.com offers tiered plans based on the size of your team and the features you need. While it's on the higher end, it's often worth the investment for teams that prioritize ease of use and visual project management. Smartsheet's pricing model is similar, but it can get expensive quickly, especially for smaller teams that don't need all of its advanced features. Finally, I'll say this. Both Monday.com and Smartsheet are solid options depending on your team's needs. If you're looking for a visually engaging, user-friendly interface and easy-to-use features, Monday.com is hard to beat. But if you need a more detailed, data-driven tool with customizable reports and advanced project management features, Smartsheet is a great pick. But here's the thing, after testing both of these myself, I found a better alternative for teams looking for streamlined project management with a strong focus on task organization and integration flexibility. If you want to see how this platform can help your team hit their goals faster, be sure to check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial with benefits you won't get anywhere else.